Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on protecting your online privacy. In this video, I'll show you how to block third-party cookies in Google Chrome on your mobile device. Whether you're trying to reduce tracking or enhance security, these simple steps will help you take control of your browsing experience. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile phone. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Site Settings and tap it. Now keep scrolling until you see third-party cookies. Finally, tap on it and choose Block Third-Party Cookies. This option ensures that websites can no longer track your activity across different sites. That's it. Your browser is now set to block third-party cookies, giving you more privacy online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips.